Okay, introduce yourself, Avinash.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Abhinav Samal. I am from KIT University pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. My hobby is doing drone photography and drone cinematography. I have done many projects with different team members, and I have learned that how to work with team and how to be a good team leader. And I have learned many problem solving abilities. I am generally from Bhubaneswar.
You are from Bhubaneswar. Okay, Avinash. So you said your hobby is drone photography, drone cinematography.
Yes, ma'am.
So from how long you have been pursuing this hobby of yours?
I've been pursuing this from last 2 years.
Okay. So do you have any idea about can you really make drones as a BTech student?
No, ma'am, I haven't made any drone or having knowledge about it.
About that?
Yes,
So currently you see that this artificial intelligence is one of the recent trends in computer science. Am I correct?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
GPT and artificial intelligence. So how they are connected or how they are different?
Can you repeat, please?
You must have heard about ChatGPT
Yes, ma'am.
as well as artificial intelligence.
Yes, ma'am.
So as a student of BTech, can you throw some light? Are they connected? Are they having a relationship between them or they are completely different?
Yes, ma'am. Like ChatGPT is a generative AI. It is a branch of AI. Like there are different branches of AI. One of them is generative AI. So, like artificial intelligence uses the data sets, which are in large number. It uses large language models to convert the data into useful information and then give it to us as a response in generative AI.
So related to the company Accenture, can you tell us what are the major services currently being provided by this company?
Currently, Accenture is providing cloud services, security, and they're working on Industry X project, one of their automation projects, and they're also doing focus on AI.
AI.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this this Accenture, how this company is different from your Infosys or TCS?
And they're also TCS is mainly they're in mostly consultant services, but Accenture is mostly in SaaS like service providing company.
It
So
provides.
yes, ma'am.
So where is its headquarters, Accenture?
Uh, Here in Bhubaneswar, it is
Oh, that is
the main
the
headquarter.
main
Yeah, main
headquarters.
headquarters.
Uh, ma'am, it is in Bangalore.
It's
Is
in
it is it an MNC?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the definition of MNC?
Multinational company.
But when we call a company as MNC,
When a company has come from abroad and settled in India for their manufacturing.
the parent country of this company. Do you have
Ma'am?
any idea? So this company exactly is originating from which country? It's a which country based company?
No, I do not know.
I hope it's an Irish company and its
Oh.
headquarters is in Dublin. You can check out.
Headquarters is in?
It's an Irish company. It is
Yes,
from
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Accenture is from it's an Irish based company.
Yes, ma'am.
And its headquarters is at Dublin, DUBLIN. Got
Okay,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So tell us how positive or how confident you are about getting through Accenture this time.
Ma'am, as it is my first interview, I'm trying my best to get into the Accenture positions, and like my further goals are to getting into the Accenture and developing and growing in this field as fast
So
as possible.
basic languages that you have mastered as a BTech in computer science,
The languages I have mastered is Python and MySQL.
Python and MySQL. Do you have any knowledge about Java?
Uh, I have learned Java, but I'm not using it, so do not have basic ideas of it.
What are the leadership qualities you possess?
Uh, so I have done two major projects in like in my curriculum, and in that I have been in one in I have been a leader. So in that, I have learned that team doesn't work on their own. We the leaders have to be the main center of attraction, and they have to work. And team, the leader has to always focus on how the team members are working and their their schedules and timings. So,
Schedules and timings. Okay. Tell me, what's your strength?
so I'm a very determined person. I love to work, and I never give up on anything.
Never give up in anything. Okay. Mhm. Do you believe in group work or group tasks or a monotonous work?
So it depends on how big a project is. If it is small project, then one person can do it. But if it's a big project and it is having a big value, greater value, so it must be done by different members, so that
Def-
there's a little less fault.
Suppose you got the opportunity to work in a foreign land. Which country do you prefer the most?
So I feel it will be great to work in Silicon Valley if there's a chance.
Silicon Valley. Okay. Why you prefer Silicon Valley?
So So because it is the tech hub of the whole world, every tech giant is present there, and it will be a great opportunity to learn how things are growing in this whole world.
In which year your branch was set up in kit?
The kit was first set up in 1997, but computer science branch, I do not know.
Your computer branch. Who is the present dean of computer science? Kit.
So present is almost
Hmm? What is a map, dear?
so map.
Map. In Python, there is a word called map. What do you mean by map?
Map is a function that we use to address. If we have a list which has only address and not is in a list format, we convert it through a map function.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. Who is a problem shooters?
Problem shooters are the debuggers who run the run the program, and they find faults and they send it to the troubleshooters,
Why?
and they
Why there
solve
is
it.
a why there is a recession presently in the computer world?
So due to mass hiring during the COVID era, companies took many employees from work from home basis. So they have taken much enough employees, but now they are not requiring much enough employees. So therefore, they are like taking them out of the company.
Okay. Suppose a company gives you the high salary.
Yes, sir.
Another company gives you the opportunity to learn, but the salary is very less. As a
Yes.
beginner, which company do you prefer to join?
So I think I would prefer if the salary is not big of a difference. So I would like to prefer the company which is giving a little less salary, because I think they will give me better value projects than the company in which I will go as a junior developer. Like they
Mhm.
will give me less work than
At times, we heard a term during the campus that CTC. What does it mean?
CTC means cost to company.
Customer. How it is calculated? Do you know it?
Um, Actually, how much the company will spend on an employee, it will calculate each bit of it. That is called CTC, like
CTC.
giving it to salary in hand or like paying the insurance taxes, everything
Mhm.
includes CTC.
Okay, include CTC. How can you rate yourself, right? Or your performance on a scale of 0 to 10?
So I will rate myself 8 out of 10 because
Why, Why not 10, why not 9?
So because there are many like opportunity of improvements in me I have seen. I can grow in many other fields than presently.
Presently? Suppose a project is assigned to you,
Yes, sir.
it is in the last stage of submission, but
Yes, sir.
lot of employee takes a leave. What you will do?
So like one employee or many employees are on leave.
Many employees, majority of employees.
Yes, sir. So I will see if the other employees, if they are present, if they're sufficient enough to conduct the like presentation. If not, I will try to contact them to come back if it is not an urgency, and if possible, I will do it within the team members present.
What is a classifier in Python?
Classify.
Yeah.
Do not comment.
No, no. What's the application of exact? Tell us some applications of MySQL.
In MySQL, we can retrieve data from our DBMS. Uh, like if a table we have make a table and we want to retrieve some data like the name of an employee, their age and the salary, we can retrieve it through one-liners statements in
Hmm.
MySQL.
Okay.
Currently, there is a trend. Everyone is telling that with the advancement of this artificial intelligence, a lot of people are going to be retrenched, or the companies are going to follow a retrenchment trend. What's your view related to it?
And company has already started to do that. They are making seats for AI, but it is not only AI autopilot. People will work on that AI, and it is surely that many of the employees will get like layoff because of for one AI machine, two it will work do the work of two employees. So it will
Current,
be surely.
Currently, which companies are the major competitors of Accenture in India, and what are the companies abroad?
I mean, India, I have seen Cognizant and TCS are the main competitors of Accenture. Abroad, it might be same, but also other companies must be there.
Tell me one famous tech giant of Odisha.
And TC Odisha
Odisha.
okay, means like originated from Odisha or
Tech giant or a famous personalities from Odisha who is associated with the software industry.
I do not understand. So
Do you heard the name of Subroto Bagchi?
yes, I have heard his name.
Do you know he is the co-founder of Mindtree?
No, sir, I haven't. I know the company Mindtree.
He
Yes,
is
sir.
the co-founder of Mindtree.
Yes, sir.
Right. So if somebody put you a questions, some of the tech giants of Odisha, then it is the Subroto Bagchi,
Yes, sir.
right? Of Mindtree. Clear, co-founder, not founder, co-founder, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us some Indians who are currently leading who are currently working as leading IT professionals and well known in the world?
Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google is working, and Satya Nadella, and these two I know.
Why do you think you are the most suitable candidate for this post?
I feel from my experience, I can suitably fit this position because I have learned how to work in team, how team efforts can make a project successful, and in my experience of my projects, I have seen that many people face the difficulty of starting the project. First of all, they do not get to understand how one should given the approach, how one can start it. I have learned it from my experience, so I think I am better for this
Between a leader
position.
and a manager, whom do you think is the best and why?
Can you repeat, please?
So, if you are being asked to choose between a leader and a manager, who do you prefer as one and why?
I would prefer a leader than a manager because a manager is the one who mainly gets contact with the company and less with the employees. But a leader already like focuses on the team members who are the main roots of the company.
What's the difference between computer science and IT?
And not
Okay. Okay, Avinash.
Okay, all the best for tomorrow. We
thank you,
hope you
ma'am.
don't lose heart. Be
Okay.
confident.
Okay.
Yeah.
First, you must say good evening, ma'am, rather than good evening, sir.
Any lady in the panel, please greet her first, then go for
Okay.
the.
Right. Second, maintain the eye contact. That is important also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
And their
So eye
salutation.
contact.
Eye contact means
Whenever you are telling anything, try to. Someone is asking you the question. Please try to look at him. Apart from that, also try to involve each and everyone. Just try to maintain eye rotation with everyone.
Yes,
Slightly,
ma'am.
everyone will feel involved because everyone will be there for. Everyone's mark will totally account for your selection. Did you get it? So they
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to feel that you are very confident enough and you are telling everything. Means your eye contact has to be very confident. Do you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am. Actually, I was asking like it was in a physical mode. So now in virtual mode, I would see the camera or the screen in which you are
you
two sitting.
only focus on the camera.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the eye contact for you.
Okay.
Okay. That is the eye contact for you. Okay. You never
Yes, sir.
focus on the screen. You focus only on the camera. So automatically it will see in the screen.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Okay, all the
All
best.
the best. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.